What's up? Hope you're having a super day today. I'm Jezz and welcome to my new video. For this new painting of mine, I was thinking of doing a nebula actually, but it kind of turned out like being like a black hole or like a dead star. To be honest, isn't a dead star becoming a black hole? Anyhow, well, I want to know what you think this painting looks like, so comment that below and enjoy the rest of the video. Awesome, you made it to the end, and I still want to know what you think of this painting, what it look like for you. Every eye see it different, pretty much. If you like this video, please subscribe, that will be awesome. I really mean it, awesome. If you're not convinced, well, watch some of the other videos on the screen right now, if you want. See you next time.